They're huge. They're horned. And they love to roll around in mud. We're talking about rhinos, of course. All about rhinos. There are 5 species of rhinoceros. The most common species, black rhinos and white rhinos, live in Africa. Sumatran, greater one-horned, and Javan rhinos live in Asia. These huge mammals live in a range of habitats, including swamps, tropical forests, and grassy plains called savannas. Rhinos are the second biggest land animals in the world. Only elephants are bigger. White rhinos are the largest of the rhino species. They can measure up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 6,000 pounds. That's heavier than many cars. Because they're so massive, rhinos need a lot of food to keep up their energy. All rhinos are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. A white rhino can eat 120 pounds of grass in just one day. When they're not eating, rhinos spend a lot of time wallowing in mud. Not only does this help keep them cool, but it also helps protect their skin. Even though a rhino's skin looks tough, it's actually very sensitive and can get sunburned. A layer of mud acts like a natural sunscreen. The mud also prevents pesky insects from biting them. You probably wouldn't know it just by looking at them, but rhinos are actually related to horses, zebras, and donkeys. They all belong to an order called Perissodactyls, a group characterized by having an odd number of toes. Horses, zebras, and donkeys have 1 toe, while rhinos have 3. Of course, rhinos are best known for their horns. The great beasts use their horns to fight off enemies, defend their young, and deepen their mud holes. Black, white, and Sumatran rhinos have 2 horns. In some species, the larger horn can grow to about 4 feet long. Rhino horns are made of a tough material called keratin, the same substance your fingernails are made of. If a rhino's horn breaks, it can regrow, as long as the bones underneath aren't damaged. Unfortunately, rhinos are in great danger. Poachers often hunt rhinos and cut off their horns. Some people mistakenly believe rhino horns have healing powers. Others use the horns as decorations. Poachers can make a lot of money selling rhino horns. Though hunting is the biggest threat facing rhinos, habitat loss is also causing the rhino population to dwindle. Millions of rhinos once roamed across Africa and Asia, but now there are fewer than 30,000 rhinos left in the world. Conservationists have been working hard to save rhinos. Though some species are starting to make a comeback, rhinos still have a long battle ahead of them.